Okay, turn to the second property of the sampling distribution of sample mean, which is, so this is the second property, variance of the sampling distribution of sample mean, and it is stated as, this is the property. The variance of the sampling distribution of sample mean is denoted by sigma square x bar, and it is given by, for sampling with replacement, sigma square x bar, this is equal to sigma square divided by n, and sigma square x bar, this is equal to n minus n divided by capital N minus 1 इंटू सिग्मा स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय एन. दोनों में डिफरेंस सिर्फ है इस चीज़ का, इसको फाइनाइट पॉपुलेशन करेक्शन फैक्टर कहा जाता है. व्हाट इज दिस थिंग? फाइनाइट पॉपुलेशन करेक्शन फैक्टर, एंड दिस इज included in case of sampling without replacement, and it can also be ignored. It can also be ignored if n divided by n into 100 is less than 5, then ignore n minus n divided by n minus 1. This is a very important note. So, it means that this is optional. It can either be included in case of sampling without replacement, or it cannot. The condition for this is, what is this thing? Sample is the percentage of population. If sample is the percentage of population is less than 5, you can exclude it from the formula. However, if it is greater than or equal to 5, then you should include it. So मैंने 2 डिस्कार्ड किया यहाँ से, क्योंकि 2 यहाँ पे इंक्लूड नहीं है. तो ये सिग्मा स्क्वायर, ये जो है पॉपुलेशन वेरिएंस है. ये सिग्मा स्क्वायर एक्स बार, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द वेरिएंस ऑफ द सैंपल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सैंपल मीन. जिस तरह आप सारे मीन का मीन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, उस तरह उन तमाम मीन का वेरिएंस भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट यू कैन ट्रीट ऑल द सैंपल मीन्स एज डेटा सेट. जिस तरह आप एक नॉर्मल डेटा से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं मीन एंड वेरिएंस, बिल्कुल आप उन सारे मीन से भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं मीन एंड वेरिएंस. वी आर डन विद मीन, नाउ वी आर डीलिंग विद वेरिएंस. If you want to verify this, you can also verify it by the following formula. Look at it. Left hand side, अगर आप इसे कैलकुलेट करना चाहें तो इसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बराबर होगा समेशन एक्स बार स्क्वेयर इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स बार माइनस समेशन एक्स बार इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स बार whole square. This is the formula for the left hand side. The right hand side, this is equal to n cannot be changed because this is the population size, this is the sample size, this is the population size again, one is constant, and sigma square. This is the population variance which is calculated by summation xi minus mu whole square divided by capital N. This is the formula for sigma square, and the small n is it is. So, you can also verify this formula by these relationships, by these formulas. So, let us verify it. तो जिस तरह हमने sampling with replacement यूज़ की है अपने एग्जाम्पल में, so this thing has already calculated, which is equal to 6, and we have to take its whole square. What we need is the computation of this term, this portion, which is equal to x bar square into f of x bar, and it is calculated in the same table. We are already having x bar and f of x bar, so we can include x bar square into f of x bar. So, we need the computation of this column. There are two ways to calculate this column. The first thing is, you can take square of each and every x bar, and then you can multiply it with f of x bar. This is one way. The second method is, you can merely multiply x bar with this column, because x bar has already been multiplied here. So, what you can do is, you can multiply this 2 with this 2, you will get 4 over 25. Or if you are using the first method, again you will get the same answer. For example, if we square it, you will get 4, and you multiply 4 with 1, you will get 4 over 25. So, both methods are same, both methods are feasible. So, I think this method is very easy to multiply x bar with x bar into f of x bar. So, 3 into 6, this is equal to 18 over 25, and so you can complete this whole column. So, this column is completed. Now, you can add the numerator. The denominator is 25 and the numerator is 1000 over 25, or if you divide it, this is equal to 20, 40. So, this is equal to 40, and 40 minus 36, or this is equal to 4. This is the left hand side. Now, computing the right hand side. The right hand side consists of this term only, this, ignoring this one because our sampling method is sampling with replacement, not without replacement. So, you are skipping this thing for now. Now, our data is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. X, we need 2 more columns, x minus mu and x minus mu square. So, we will generate these 2 columns. Mu is equal to 6. So, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Similarly, minus 2, similarly 0 and 2, and this is equal to 4. So, this is x minus mu. Now, square these values. This is 16, this is 4, this is 0, this is 4, this is 16, and overall this is equal to 40. And this is what? This is the so called summation x minus mu whole square. Now, substituting these values, this is equal to 40 over 5 and sample size is equal to 2, or this is equal to 8 divided by 2, or this is equal to 4, which is equal to the right hand side. So, this is the verification of the second property of the sampling distribution of sample mean. बस सिर्फ इस बात का ख्याल रखें कि हमारा मेथड सैम्पलिंग विद रिप्लेसमेंट है या विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है. विद रिप्लेसमेंट है तो मामला आसान है. फाइनाइट पॉपुलेशन करेक्शन फैक्टर जो कि बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है, लेकिन आप इसको इंक्लूड ना करें. अगर विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है तो फिर भी 2 बातें हैं कि इंक्लूड कर दिया जाए या इंक्लूड ना कर दिया जाए. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? सैम्पल साइज डिवाइड बाई पॉपुलेशन साइज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100. If it is equal to or greater than 5, you should include it in the formula. If it is less than 5, you should not include it. That's it.